What's going on, guys? Rusty here with Grit Shift. So, just going to touch up on what Bullet posted the other day, and we've been getting hit up about constantly. The special orange parts. Well, a little bit special because colors, not up to our quality control. You can see there, 2 different colors, 3 different colors, 4 different colors. There's like 7 different colors. We can't sell them. We're going to give them away to you guys for free. We're going to do it with 3 different ways. We're going to do bike orders, free, which we're going to detail out later, and regular orders. So for bike orders, 2 of the bike orders placed between 9:30 and 10:02, we're going to add in the box of free part. So, quick and easy way if you've been holding off. It's also going to be on the MX factory forks, the new forks that are revalved and resprung for the weight of the Talaria. So much better suspension out of the box already. The other option is going to be the free option. The free option is going to be a TET subscription based. We use TET subscriptions to keep you guys updated. New parts being launched, updates, phone lines are even down, and we'll start using it. With that, all you have to do is on 10/2 at 1 p.m., first 3 people that sign up, you can sign up at any point for the TET subscription. You're just going to email us a picture of your confirmation. I've signed up. Email it over to us. Once we get that, the first 3 emails we receive after 1 p.m., guess what? You got your choice of a free orange part. The final option is going to be orders. We're going to include in the description below a promo code. You attach that promo code to your order. That order is now entered to free parts. What we're going to do is use a random number generator. We're going to enter all the order numbers that have that promo code, and it's going to randomize it. We're going to pick orders, 5 orders to be specific, 5 random orders. So if you have multiple orders, cool. Those guys, selection of free parts. Once again, all the details will be in the description below. Parts, great quality. Colors, we're not happy. We got to give them away for free. So if you guys want your chance to get some free Grit Shift parts, read the description below. Follow our YouTube, Instagram, social medias. Sign up for the TET subscription. This will also help in the future because this won't be the first or last time we're going to do this type of service. Once again, Rusty here with Grit Shift. Get to shredding.